connected.
What's up, YouTube? It's dafobra. And yeah, it's been a minute, huh? Just got back from a ride with the boys. Nice time, nothing crazy. Went down to the beach. You know, I guess the great thing about owning a motorcycle is when you're riding, everything feels normal. Now, I say that because we all know the craziness that's going on in the world with the pandemic, and I don't want to talk much about it, to be quite honest with you, but you know, when you're on the bike, even if there's 4 of us, 5 of us, 6 of us, whatever, or even one of me, everything feels normal. Because I guess on a bike you're automatically socially distant, but at the same time, if you're riding with friends, you're kind of hyper connected, which is not logical, I guess, but I don't know. So yeah, it's just too nice of a day to run back home. The weather's beautiful, everything just feels good, the bike feels amazing. I got a full tank of gas almost. So I'm enjoying it. So I guess this vlog was just to check in and see how everybody's doing. I've been noticing more new channels kind of popping up, and there's a cool little hashtag. Sorry, they've been butchering this whole road. This new hashtag that I saw on Instagram called Support MVC, which I believe is Support Motovlog Community, which is really cool because, you know, the whole reason I got into this YouTube thing, to be quite honest with you, was community. And I think that's something that has been lacking in the past few years. And if you want to argue against that, go right ahead. But I feel like it has been missing the community aspect. Oh, a nice bit of sand right here. I'm gonna move this down a little bit, huh? I do feel like it's been missing that community aspect, that connection aspect, and I think that, I don't mind saying that YouTube has changed. And, you know, some might argue for the good or for the bad, and I would argue it has to change. But it's nice to see, you know, it's nice to see certain people kind of coming together and connecting. So through that hashtag on Instagram, I've been finding a lot of cool content creators, motorcyclists, that are recording their rides and sharing their rides in that pure form of what motovlogging used to be. Like I said, I'm not here to argue whether it's better or worse, but it's definitely changed. And but that's all I want to talk about YouTube. But as far as riding the bike, man, it's been one of the positive things about this whole new normal, I guess. I mean, on one hand, the roads are, look at this guy, go, you just jumped the curb, dumbass. On one hand, the roads still are, you know, less crazy than they were before. I mean, let me tell you, here on Long Island, we're not really into far into the reopening, quote unquote, like some states are, but the roads are definitely getting busier. People are definitely going out more because it's just really, really nice out. Nobody wants to be stuck indoors. So for that, you know, the roads are kind of filling up a little more, but they're nowhere near as busy as they were before. You know, it's funny, people are kind of trying to figure out more outdoor sports to do. What's up, honey? Nice shorts. Don't be judgmental. I'm sorry. You know, people are trying to do more and more things outdoors. I know for my kids, I bought them a small pool. I don't have much room for a pool, but a fire pit, pretty much anything that's outdoors to enjoy because everything's so locked down are going like super expensive. So I wonder if motorcycle sales will go up, right? I mean, that's there we go. Look at everybody's out. These boys are out. What's up, buddy? There are a ton of bikes out today. I think everybody's just trying to get out, and it makes me wonder, is a motorcycle potentially one of the best tools to get through this pandemic? Because I'm enjoying my ride by myself. I am enjoying the ride with my buddies before. That was pretty awesome. And with the price of gas, man, it's not costing you much anything to ride around all day long. And the weather's good pretty much all over the country right now. So maybe a motorcycle is the answer to this whole thing. I mean, isn't the helmet the best mask ever? I don't know. I'm just having a little fun with this. But I got a couple of comments from people saying they missed the vlogs and they missed everything. So I did want to check in and just say, hey, what's up? I do miss everybody. And if you got a bike, go out and ride it, man. If you got friends, ask them to go out. Enjoy it. And definitely check out that hashtag #SupportMVC on Instagram. A lot of great channels that are getting momentum, and it's nice to see people connecting in a community, because that's really what this whole thing is supposed to be about. That's what about motorcycling is about. That's what YouTube is about. So when you put the two of those together, it's a home run, right? All right, everybody, ride safe. I'll see you.